Now guys, we have grown up to accept our air conditioning as really boring. They are the usual same white box, nothing special. Some do come with a little bit of chrome garnishing. I think Blue Star is doing that on a lot of models this year. But what about an AC which looks more like an art piece? Or as Lloyd calls it, a style statement. So guys, I present you the Lloyd Stylus series, and in this particular detailed video we are going to make a detailed point-wise comparison. We are going to talk about all the pros and cons, and that will help you decide if the Lloyd Stylus series is the perfect air conditioner for you this summer. Let's start with the first point, that is tonnage wise models, room size and cooling capacity. Now this Stylus series is launched in both 1 and 1.5 ton, and both of them are available in 3-star and 5-star. So in all there are 4 different models. Their 1 ton option is suitable for small rooms up to the size of 120 square feet. The 1.5 ton option is suitable for medium sized rooms ranging from 120 to 160 square feet. The 1.5 ton model has a cooling capacity of 5050 watts, and if I convert it in actual tonnage, this is 1.42 ton. How did I do that? Well, it's really easy. If you follow this particular video available for you in description or in the I button, you can also do that. It's really easy. Their 1 ton models have a cooling capacity of 3500 watts, so at least that is genuine 1 ton. And there's one more thing that is really good about this series is that the 3-star models have same cooling capacity as their 5-star brothers. So it's not like a lot of brands are doing this year, right? So their 5-star models are rated at 5000 watts, but the 3-star models have huge amount of cost cutting and they are rated at 4400 or 4600 watts. So I'd like to thank Lloyd for not doing that. So the cooling capacity across the range is same. Let's talk about the ISEER values, and they should be popping up on your screen right now. And there's one particular point of interest, that is these 3-star models. The ISEER value is 3.95, which makes them almost 4-star. And this is an option which you can consider because they are going to be available at a very good price, and they are going to be almost as efficient as their big brothers. So again, it could be a very interesting option for you. The affiliate buying links for all of these models are available for you in the description or in the first comment below. Please consider using them if you like my work, if you want to support me, and anyways, your purchase price is going to be the same, so make sure to use those affiliate links. Other than this series is the Stellar series and normal series. So they have the Stylus, they have the Stellar, and then they have the normal ones, and all of these have their separate videos which are available for you in I button or in the description. Let's talk about the second point, that is indoor features, and the highlight of this particular model is the changeable fascia. You can change the bezel of the AC and have a very unique effect. Currently there are 3 different decor options available. The first one is wood finish, then they have the marble effect, and then they have the slotted effect. So depending on the interior, depending on the theme of your room, you can change these bezels and have a brand spanking new looking AC available as when you require. There's one golden tip that I need to tell you, right? Say if you buy this particular AC, Lloyd Stylus, buy all 3 fascia panels, buy all of them, keep them in your cupboard, store them, because renovate your house, if you change the interior after 2-3 years, I'm pretty sure these panels will not be available. And this has personally happened to me with respect to home appliances, not this particular one, but like on a wide variety of occasions, that replacement parts, especially the aesthetic parts, are never available later on. So buy them, keep them. Whenever you redesign your house, just change the panel and you have a brand new looking AC. So this AC is going to be a smart AC with Wi-Fi. The remote is also high class. It looks really different. It's nice to use. There's one new feature which is known as humidity control. So this AC is again going to be the best for coastal areas, and you can use this humidity control in monsoons when the humidity will make you sweat and perspire and it's going to make you all sticky. You can use this humidity control feature to keep the humidity in check. Next feature is 4-way swing with multi-level adjustment. Oh boy, I miss these features in many of my air conditioners. The last time I had this was with my Voltas. I explained it to you in this Voltas remote guide. And what multi-level swing does is that you can customize the angle of your swing directly from your remote, and the swing will stop at particular location. Now talking about my other ACs that I have this as Samsung, I have LG, and what you have to do is you just need to keep looking. Okay, so the swing flap is moving up, down, and then you have to press the swing button at a very particular timing, and then it stops at particular desired angle. That's really annoying. It's a small feature, but multi-level swing, it's going to make a whole lot of difference when you start using the AC. So if you want the swing to point at this particular direction, boom, just do it on remote and be done with it. Let's talk about the next point, that is outdoor features. And this thing comes with a convertible inverter compressor using eco-friendly R32 gas. And this compressor can provide cooling in high ambient temperatures up to 52 degrees Celsius. There's a low gas detection feature which protects the compressor, of course. The condenser coils are made from 100% copper, which have better life than aluminum coils. And during the course of my research, there's no mention about stabilizer free operation, like it's not clearly mentioned. And this year no one is clearly mentioning it because there's a special reason. Maybe in some other video we'll talk about it. But what I did find is there's a operating voltage range from 100 volts to 300 volts. But guys, as I always say, that voltage fluctuation is something, which you cannot predict. So I highly recommend that be it any kind of air conditioner, make sure to use a good branded stabilizer to protect it. I also personally use a variety of stabilizers, and their reviews as well as their buying links are available for you in the video description or in the first comment. You can check them. Let's talk to the star of the show. And the star of the show feature today is convertible 6-in-1 option. There are 4 manual modes: 40, 60, 80 and 100. This is what you can do using the remote. All right. Then there's an auto mode, which the Lloyd calls it as CA mode, which can adjust the compressor performance or the compressor frequency from 30% to 110%. Then there's this overclocked 110 mode. A lot of guests in your room, a really hot summer, you came home from shopping and the room is like on fire. Use the 110% overclocked mode, or like some people call it expandable cooling mode, and you can get fast cooling just like that. So these convertible modes can either increase the performance of your AC or they can decrease the performance of your AC and help you reduce your electricity bills. And a lot of you guys are thinking that, well, Zen sir, are these convertible modes of any use? Aren't they like some weird marketing gimmicks? Well, no. I have personally tested a variety of air conditioners. You can find 2 videos over here, LG, Samsung. I've tested them personally using my variety of multimeters and watt meters, and I've shown you the effect of convertible options on your power consumption and on your electricity bill. So after watching this video, make sure to check those particular things out. Very good and interesting experiment we did that day. Let's talk about the next point, that is manufacturer warranty. So Lloyd offers 1-year warranty on the entire product. There's 10 years on the inverter compressor. By default, there is no standardized 5-year PCB on this model. Yes, if you browse the details on Amazon, they have mentioned 5-year PCB warranty, but it's not the whole story. All right, because that 5-year PCB warranty comes under their extended warranty plan. And you know what extended warranty is, right? Like there are a bunch of TNCs, terms and conditions, huge amounts of various rules that you need to follow. For example, you have to register the product, you have to go with the particular AMC, you have to get the product serviced from the company service center a few times a year at their prices, which is of course expensive compared to your normal technician. So again, if you are interested in reading these terms and conditions, I'll provide the link in description. You can check them, and if you feel it is worth, you can go with the extended warranty. There's one tip that I need to give you, that whenever you install your air conditioner, make sure you get it done by the brand technician only, so that your warranty can be activated. If you get it installed with your local technician or any random person, any random fellow, then probably the brand will not even honor the standard 1-year warranty, the initial warranty. Even they may refuse that particular thing. Let's talk about the next point, that is hidden cost. Now, generally when we buy a split air conditioner, we generally consider a hidden cost of 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. All right, because the standard installation from the brand will cost you like 1,500 plus GST, something like that. Then you need to buy the stand for outdoor unit, copper pipes, wires from indoor to outdoor, and so on. But during my research, I found this free installation offer only on Amazon. I'm providing the Amazon links for you in description. You can check them. If you get that offer, it's going to be really nice. You can really save some bucks, and maybe you can put it somewhere and put it to good use. So that's going to be a good saving. And yes, I need to suggest a particular video. So this is the split AC installation guide. Make sure to watch it regardless of whichever AC you buy, regardless of whichever brand you buy. Make sure to follow this particular guide and install the AC properly, because if you don't, you're going to be really troubled. Let's talk about the next point, that is pros and cons. So what is good in this particular AC? Point number one, pricing. Absolutely, guys, you get a very unique looking AC, a very premium looking AC at a normal price. That's how nice it is. The second pro that I found with this AC is the wide service network. So when Lloyd and Havells got merged, Havells already had a very good service network when it came to their home appliances. They already had geysers, they already had fans, they already had lights and so on. So Lloyd can take advantage of that wide service network. But yes, you need to do your own homework. Especially you need to find the AC related service center of Lloyd in your city, visit them, talk to them, find out how the service is there in your city, and then proceed towards buying them. Speaking about the cons, honestly, I cannot complain a lot, because there's not much to complain about. The only con that I found is something related to warranty, and I guess that for this particular summer season, Lloyd should come forward and really start offering that 5-year PCB warranty as a part of some offer or some kind of relief, that the customers may enjoy. So that is one thing, but other than that, I could not find any particular con which might prevent you from buying this AC. And if you like watching these kind of unbiased and well balanced videos when it comes to home appliances, when it comes to technology, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because this is the kind of video that we keep making. Let's talk about the next point, that is conclusion. Who can buy this AC, who can avoid it? So honestly, this AC appeals to a really wide range of audience. So if you are someone who is tech savvy, okay, I need my Wi-Fi, okay, I'll be controlling the AC with my phone. I need a multi-level swing, you can buy this AC. If you are someone who is very concerned about how the interior of your home looks, right? If you're someone who is very fashion conscious, if you're putting the AC in a very prominent location, like say in your hall, in your main living area, you can buy this AC, no issues. Other than that, anyone who is looking for a decent price which can become a talking piece, something which can become an icebreaker. So even your guests are going to come and say like, oh, what is this new kind of AC that you installed? So you can go with this particular air conditioner. And if you're still confused what kind of AC is suitable for my particular application, then you can comment below this video in this particular format. Use the hashtag AskZen, fill up the details and just post a comment below this video, and I'll try my best to help you out and find a good AC for your application. Let's talk about the last point, that is competition. And guys, I keep researching when it comes to air conditioners. I observe all the brands and I put all of my summaries in the AC cheat sheet. So what is this AC cheat sheet? It's basically a Google Doc file. You can again open the link in the description. You can have that file. It's a really large file which has all different models, different brands. And what I've done is I've highlighted the pros and cons of each brand, so you can go ahead and check it out. And as per my research, the main competitors that I found out, one is their elder brother, that is the Stellar series. It looks really unique. It has even more features than this one, and it looks very different in golden color. It has variety of lights on it, so maybe you can check that one out. The second brand that I can pick as a good competitor would be ISEER. So it comes with superb features. It does not look as unique as this one. It does not have any changeable panels, but yes, it does have freeze wash and all kinds of normal tech savvy features that you expect. Plus the warranty on ISEER this year is comprehensive. So if you are someone who was stuck a little bit on that warranty part which we discussed, by all means check out ISEER. Maybe you will like it. The third competitor that I found out is Panasonic, because Panasonic having a very good experience when it comes to smart ACs. Their Mirai app is really good. Their Wi-Fi is decent. They have very good air filtration. Some of their ACs have AQI monitors. So again, you can consider that. So all of these particular videos will be available over here. And if you want to check out the regular budget friendly Lloyd models, then those videos will be available right here. Make sure to check them out. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked watching it. Take care and have a nice day.